가지 소원을 묻는다면 사랑이란 것을 목매 딸리지 않게 해줘 난 그냥 자유롭게 멀리 날아가고 싶어.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I look really tired. I kind of just woke up. Today's gonna be a really busy day and I kind of wanted to sit down and talk to you guys about everything that's kind of been happening lately because there's been quite a bit of life updates and stuff like that. So ignore the patchy wall. I will explain the reason why the wall looks so patchy later. But the reason why I've been so busy is, for one, you may have noticed that I'm actually vlogging in my room. Usually I vlog only my bed or a small corner, and the reason is because my sister has just recently moved out, and so I finally get a room to myself. The second update is that I'm gonna be kind of renovating / decorating my room, and I'm gonna take you guys along. And today's gonna be really busy because I'm planning on painting the walls. So the reason why I'm painting the walls is because, for one, as you guys can tell, you can see these patchy paint marks here, and the reason for that is because a few summers back we were fixing some dents in the wall and then repainting it over, and the paint that we used was darker than the actual wall color, so that is why there are patches on the wall. And it kind of bothered me so much up until now that I just want to repaint it. That's the plan for today. I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get all the supplies, and then we're gonna do it hopefully all in one day. I'm hoping to do it in 2 coats. Hopefully, we'll see. But yeah, I've never really painted a room before, so my cousin is gonna come and help, and maybe a friend. To give you guys a little rundown of my room, like I said, it's a complete mess. There is trash everywhere, my bed is a mess, and again, like I've mentioned, the walls are very patchy, so it's kind of just all over. But yeah, I have so much space now. I'm so happy, and yeah, I'm just gonna clean my bed, wash my sheets, and I'm just waiting for my cousin to get here. Well, I'm just gonna keep it here for now. Home Depot. Okay, the goal is to get paintbrushes, and the paint tin thingy that you roll it in. Tree. It has everything we need. A paintbrush, roller, and this pen. The colors. I kind of like the silver ash color. Let's see this. These are all the lights. Okay, so we're in between this vibrant white, the silky white, Mallory white, and Wind's brown. But it's so hard to choose. How are you guys? Good, how are you? Last Stop.
IKEA.
That's so good.
It's just trust me.
My cousin's trying to like rep me on this lip balm brand. What brand is it? Actually, we're not sponsored by it. Why is it so good?
Because it gives a tingling feeling.
That's the only reason?
And it's really moisturizing.
I'm gonna find this one. Yeah, but this one's 5.3, this one's 55. Oh my god. Okay, we finished the first coat. My hands are covered in paint. I'm covered in paint. My cousin's covered in paint. It looks pretty nice, I think. It's the first coat, so we can't tell right away, but yeah. I was hoping to get the second coat done by today, but it doesn't look like we're gonna be able to. We also ran out of paint, so I'm gonna have to go buy more paint to finish this, and then yeah. Oh my god. Hi, I'm just getting, can I get another bucket of the same paint as this?
Yeah, same size as well?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Give me 5 minutes.
Okay, thank you. I just bought more paint, so we're gonna do the second coat. Come say hi. So pretty much my room is almost built. I'm thinking like, so right now my room has like, you know, like the feng shui guy. I'm pretty sure he's gonna judge my room if I show it because my bed is on the same wall, or like my head is like on the same side as the door, and I'm pretty sure that's bad feng shui. So the way my room is oriented, I'm gonna have to switch it. It's just I need a bed frame because I can't cover the vent. So I'm just waiting on that. Probably will do that in a few days, but for now we're gonna leave it like this. Rini's already cozied up in her little spot that I put her in.